मैं यह सुनिश्चित करती हूँ कि इस परिसर का हर वह स्थान सुरक्षित, स्वच्छ और गरिमा के लिए स्वागत योग्य हो। लोग शायद मेरे काम पर ध्यान ना दे, लेकिन वे हमेशा महसूस करते हैं व्यवस्था और गरिमा का वह एहसास जो मैं हर दिन उत्पन्न करती हूँ। वही मेरा योगदान है। धन्यवाद।
Every hardworking member at RSP has come here through a process which I was a part of. I find the right people for the right roles. Hence, when I see new joiners grow, develop, and succeed, I feel proud because I have contributed to an important decision being made.
IT, जिसकी बहुत बड़ी भूमिका है RSP जैसी बड़ी संस्थान में। यहीं से मेरी जिम्मेदारी शुरू होती है। मेरी जिम्मेदारी रहती है कि सभी नेटवर्क और डिवाइसेस सही तरीके से चले और सभी डेटा को हम लोग सिक्योर करके रखते हैं, जिससे काम करने में सभी कर्मचारियों को दिक्कतें ना हो और हमारी कंपनी इसी तरह प्रगति करते रहे।
From facilities to logistics to day-to-day coordination, I make sure the organization run without any difficulties. My work runs in the background, but without it, nothing moves. I take pride in the being the backbone that keeps everything in place.
I am on the floor every day, making sure targets and timelines are met and quality is not compromised. Every component made by RSP carries the effect of my team and my decisions. Knowing that our parts go in vehicles across the country makes every shift meaningful.
I bring the precision and the accountability in every report which I generate. I gain the strategic insights and the understanding of the business from the RSB. As RSB grows through disciplined financial management, I grow with it by playing a lead role in making that progress possible.
At RSB, our quality speaks for itself, and my role involves keeping up with our standards. What we promise is exactly what we deliver. Because our customer trust depends on it, this is what makes us a leader in the industry.
शॉप फ्लोर पर कई तरह की सुरक्षा से जुड़े खतरे और जोखिम होते हैं, जिन्हें ध्यानपूर्वक समझना और जांचना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, जिसके लिए मैं सिस्टम बनाती हूँ, जिससे मैं नियमित रूप से जांच और ट्रेनिंग करवाती हूँ और जागरूकता भी फैलाती हूँ, ताकि काम करते हुए कोई भी व्यक्ति दुर्घटनाग्रस्त ना हो। जब कोई घटना नहीं होती तो यह सिर्फ किस्मत की बात नहीं होती, यह हमारे द्वारा बनाए गए सुरक्षा संस्कृति का परिणाम होता है, जिसे लीड करने पे मुझे गर्व महसूस होता है।
I work to make sure RSP doesn't just grow as a business, also grows responsibly. Whether it's driving social initiatives, taking part in planet-friendly measures, reducing carbon footprints, I help RSP to make a company that the next generation can be proud of.
Invest in the most important asset is RSP has its people. Every training program, every skill upgrade, and every leadership section is an opportunity to unlock someone's potential. When I see employees grow in confidence, take on bigger roles, and achieve their goals, it reminds me why I love what I do. This Women's Day, I celebrate strength, growth, and impact we create when we uplift others.
My role is to ensure that all the funds that are moving in the organization must be accounted for timely and accurately. My role is also to ensure that the data that shows the financial health of the company must be accurate, statutory compliances should be met on time, the financial health of the organization should be strong. In the growth of the RSB, I played a very important role, and that gives me a wonderful sense of ownership.